Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 26th, 2024. And before I get started here, I'd like to give credit to Top G out of Kittersley, Saskatchewan. A buddy of mine, he put out the crude palm oil futures chart here a few months ago and brought it to my attention, and it had some interesting price action. So this one here, Top G, if you're listening, if you're watching, this one's for you. Here we go. Crude palm oil futures here. And you can see here that it's an interesting level for me anyways, and for market technicians. We can see here the price has been consolidating above and below right around these highs from February 2011 and in March 2008. Price has memory. And it's interesting how these previous highs often act as support and get retested. We can see here too, we had this retest down here in June of 23 of December 16 and the February, March 2020 highs. Interesting how, again, price is memory. I'm fascinated by these things. I think it's incredibly interesting. I hope you do too. This is the monthly chart. So we can see here we have this consolidation going on. Really sideways action from July 22nd, or July 2022, and really not much is really happening of significance here as the buyers and sellers fight for control of the trend. The weekly chart here tells us a little more wiggles and squiggles. I'm going to draw a parallel channel on here and just get an idea of what could be happening. We have this channel, price is trading in this channel here, and it's really interesting. I think if we break this below this bottom trend line, then we can see a retest of this 3,200 level, maybe the 3,300 level, somewhere in there. But again, as long as we're above that trend line, we don't anticipate the test here. But yeah, Top G pointed out to here back in April, I guess it was now, more than a few months ago, but how we're testing these highs and perhaps have a breakout, and maybe that's what's happening right here. Maybe we're coiling below that level and building up energy to break higher. Let's stay tuned and watch that, but I think it's interesting. Let's go to the daily chart and look and see if, put on some moving averages on here and get an idea of what's going on. So again, let's get rid of the 20-day. Who cares about the 20-day? I don't care about the 20-day. So here we are. We have this purple 200-day moving average, and the price is trading above there. They're both, it's advancing, as is the green 50-day moving average. So the price is trading right around the 50-day rate. It looks like it's coiling and wants to continue an uptrend on the daily chart. Stay tuned and see what happens in the coming weeks here. We get above 4,000 crude palm oil futures, then it feels like it could go higher, maybe back up to test these previous levels of 4,300 to 45. So keep an eye on it. The chart's not telling us a whole lot right now, but it's telling us that something could be happening soon, so we want to be prepared for it. We break below this trend line, then I think and below the 200-day, we turn bearish. But we start making new highs above 4,000, then we start becoming bullish. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.